get started. Thank you. 306.
You what?
I'm going from working at home to all those people.
Yeah.
That's a lot of people. It's the most people contact I've had in a year.
6 months.
This is a good year.
Y'all still have a lot of people. I do like to argue. I'm your wife. It's my job.
I don't remember being on here before.
No, we've never done this and we've always been on the other end.
Tremendous.
306. Oh, I'm glad we're facing this strip. All right, so this is the Fairfield Inn in Branson. We've stayed here lots and lots of times because we always get free rooms. That's why we're here right now, because we both together had voucher points, whatever, that were ready to expire. They were gonna expire this weekend. And so we're like, let's go to Branson for a night so we don't lose our hotel. We got here at 11. I've just been enjoying Branson. And they repaved the parking lot. That's what that smell is. So there's 3 Marriott owned properties in Branson. This one, the Fairfield. And then there's, you know what, I was gonna research it. There's 2 others. One of them we were gonna stay at, but they have, what's it called, honey? Timeshare. And there's lots of complaints that the timeshare people harass you the whole time. And then the other one, what was the reason?
Residence Inn. People say it's dated.
The Residence Inn is dated. And this is not dated. I like this one.
Yeah, this
So, I mean, you know, it's free. It's a very nice room for being free. So we were actually going to give the timeshare one a chance because it absolutely looks beautiful. But we had too many people complaining about the harassment by the timeshare people. And I don't have time for that. I'm actually really good about saying no. But I don't feel like saying no 20 billion times. So, the zippered pocket, if you're looking for your medicine. The big zippered pocket. So, I know. I'm sorry. My he said enough. He needs a nap. You need a nap.
Time away from the people.
He just gave me an evil eye. Oh, he was looking for a cord for his phone. All right. All right. We went tons of shopping and we only bought stuff at Bucky's. And then we went to the Disney store and I bought these Nautilus ears. But anyway, so the reason we also like the Fairfield Inn is because there is free breakfast. And then there is a pool. We don't ever use the pool, but if you guys are into pools, they have a pool and it's on the strip. So a lot of stuff is walkable. Anything you want to add?
Nope.
No? All right. Since Branson is a tourist town, pretty much any hotel or restaurant you go in has like these brochures. You should definitely grab a couple because there are good coupons inside. Like we had Godfather's Pizza for lunch today. I did not know about this coupon. We could have got $3 off one of our meals, which that's pretty good. And then this one has like a $2 off coupon for Pizza Ranch, which is another buffet that we like. So, and there's tons of other coupons. Pretty much any restaurant here. I think that Landshark had $10 off of a $30 order, which is really good. Here's $2 off if you go to the Dixie Stampede. So Yeah, it's touristy, but they are good coupons, and then there's a map inside. There's even an Outback here. We've never ate at this Outback.
It's not part of the chain.
It's not part of the chain, Robert said. Spaghettis. They got all kinds of stuff. So anyway, just letting you know that if you don't mind using coupons, and you want to save a couple dollars, pretty much these coupon books are everywhere. Actually looks good. I might get one of those. Bread, bagels, cereal, oatmeal. So this is a continental. I don't think last time they had, yeah, eggs and sausage. And then they do have a waffle maker. I think I'm gonna go with some yogurt and eggs. All right, so free breakfast. Last night it was a good sleep, no issues. I'll have to say this parking lot's only half full. Usually when we're here, the parking lot is completely full, but we are here off season, and they did repave their parking lot, so maybe, I don't know, doubt that has anything to do with it. I think it's just because we're off season, but yep, they have a waffle maker.
Oh, okay. You don't like waffle?
I don't feel like a waffle, right? I usually do make a waffle when we stay at places that have it, or pancake maker is my favorite, but anyway, it was a fine hotel night stay, no issues. Sound was perfect, slept perfectly, shower pressure was awesome. I liked that room. The setup was slightly different than our past rooms. We're usually on the other side of the elevator, so it just seemed a little bigger to me.
Quieter.
I don't know, quieter. Maybe because it wasn't that close to the pool. I don't know. It was a good stay, but unfortunately, if you look outside, oh, there's my finger. If you look outside, it's still rainy. So this whole trip has been rainy. So we're just gonna do a couple things and then head home because there ain't much to do when it's rainy like this. I just wanted to show this misty view. We're gonna head to the hatchery before we leave Branson. This is a mountain coaster right here on the right that we are going to ride sometime. I'm just not doing it in the rain. So we will be doing that in one of our visits.
Don't do it.
Don't do it, Maurice.